Hi friends, welcome. We'll continue to learn about NotebookLM, our important AI tool which teaches us several things, and in this two new features we'll learn now. One is on flashcard and another one is on the quiz. These two new features are recently added and it is already rolled out to all the users. So now in the flashcard, the key events, the highlights and all the important dates and all are stored in the flashcard. We also use flashcards for our day-to-day life also. And similarly, we'll also learn about the quiz where we can test our own knowledge on a particular subject, or it will tell us which area we have to focus and where to you have need to work more. We'll see some examples and how to use these features in NotebookLM. If you are using for first time, then just search NotebookLM in Google. It is better you log in before that to your Google account and just click the first link. You will be landing here. We are inside an article now. If you are coming to the home page, you will have this is the entry page. You will have all the featured notebooks. So what Google already provides you for the other famous writers or famous publications details. Here recent notebooks will appear here and you can just browse through them, your previous notebooks. So in the same way, we have opened a recent one. Let's open this. We are inside our NotebookLM. One topic already we have added it by visiting the add sources. You have clicked the add sources and going to the website link. We have added one link and this is the link here and this is the topic. So this link is already we have added, and how to further add the sources and all we have already discussed that. And right side you can see all the features whatever NotebookLM is earlier given, and now whatever thing all are listed there, and it is expanding also with more and more features coming up. So here it is the audio overview, the podcast we can generate it, the video overview, the mind map, the popular one, and the reports. So all these are available here. Below that you can see the flashcard and quiz, which are the two new features what we are going to discuss now. Let's start with our flashcard. So flashcard is something where even we have already used it. We stick all these yellow notes all around it, all the important dates, events, figures, maps, all those things we stick all around. Let's just go there, click the flashcard. Here we get the customization, all the key terms, everything we can it can create for us. But note that here the number of cards also we have a setting. Default is standard, but my observation, okay, based on the topic you can change it. Go for fewer one. If it is more, it became another articles to read. So based on your context or your area of working, you can change it. Now it is here the level of difficulty also. Flashcards will see the demo part what you have created. You can understand it's more of a quizzing type of a thing. So you can have a level of difficulty set for the flashcards also. Then the customization, you can ask it, focus on the chapter 1 or focus on the chapter 2 or write more about this. Keep a close on the outcomes of the meeting. All those things you can discuss and generate one. Here is already one we have generated. So here it is. Let's say in flashcards what it is, and we can see this. What are the, okay, let me just, I can expand it for viewing. Yeah, here it is. I can you see the number of flashcards here at the bottom, 1 of 28. I can go ahead, read it, all those flashcards, and I can, if I want, I can expand it. So this should set the no index, okay, based on the topic, and in particular flashcard about that also I can come back to my source and see where it is explained all this. So I can to and fro, I can move from my main source to the flashcard and come back to get the more details. So that is what is available here. Now you can browse it, you can see, then see the answer again, then I will ask explain me where it is particular one on my source. So if I have more sources and all, it will explain me, it will take me to the exact location where it is the flashcard is taken from. This is how you can further work on the flashcard part. Let's quickly understand about our quizzes. So let's come back to our studio here. Here the quiz button is there. I can customize it. Here also I can set the questions fewer, standard and more, easy, medium or hard. So this is to evaluate ourselves before we actually really face a quiz or thing. You can set our key understanding practice. These are the, you can treat it as a practice questions also, self test or even if you can refine your understanding on the topics, so what you have already studied. Here I can just customize it based on your subject. Say you want to focus it on chapter 1, chapter 2, give me more about this particular character, that everything you can customization is available here. We have already generated one. Let's see this. Here I have already generated one quiz, and note that these are all multiple choice questions will come. So I have to select one. According to FCO guide, what is the recommended practice for core content pages like blog posts, product pages, main tutorials? Fine. They should be excluded from the sitemap. Whatever you want to answer it, you can select one. It will also correct you. Now let's just move to a full screen. Yeah, fine. You are here. Now even it gives a hint also. So let me say no indeed but included in the sitemap. Now let me see this. It tells me why I am wrong also, and what is the wrong in it, and what is the right answer. Now I can move to the next question. Similarly, pick up one more. So not quite. Then what is the right answer? It is D. It is showing me not C. So I can move to the next. Like that I can continue, or if somewhere before I give my choice, I can just get a hint on that. So these things I will just close it. I will come back to my this thing. Here it is available. I can come back to Studio again and continue my study on this. I can also note that suppose I have to one chapter I have completed, I can go to give to it another one and delete this also. I can this quiz, I can delete it, modify it again, go for another customization and regenerate the quiz again by focusing on a different area, by giving more customization. Same thing is also applicable to the flashcards. So I hope this quiz and flashcard, these two are going to help mostly the student researchers, those who are studying from the various own notes, different notes, and doing some research work, is going to be helpful to them. That's all, friends. Hope you have a good learning experience, and if you have any idea, doubts, suggestions, questions for our future uses and inclusion in our tutorial, please let us know by putting your views in our comment section below. And my request is please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we add tutorials, and we are frequently adding that also. Please share this with your friends, and thank you for watching.